Hello students, hope all of you are fine at your home. I am your maths teacher Priya Sachar. Welcome you again in my online classes of 7th. Today we will continue with our chapter number 5, algebraic expressions. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. Now in the previous video we have discussed about addition and subtraction together. So let's revise. If we have to subtract 3x square minus 2xy plus 7 from the sum of 2x square plus 5xy plus 9 and 9x square minus 3xy plus 8. Here you can see we have to do two operations, addition and subtractions, right? So first we will do addition. When we will add 2x square plus 5xy plus 9 and 9x square minus 3xy plus 8, 11x square plus 2xy plus 17 will come, right? Now from this expression we have to subtract 3x square minus 2xy plus 7. And in subtraction, we know that we have to change the sign of lower expression. So when we will change the sign, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and there is no value of previous sign, right? So when we will solve, plus 11x square minus 3x square will be 8x square, plus 2xy is plus 4xy, plus 17 minus 7 is 10. So 8x square plus 4xy plus 10 will be the answer. Today we will discuss about substitution method. An algebraic expression can be evaluated by substituting the value of the unknown variable in the given expression. For example, if we have to find out the value of 2x square plus 3x cube when x is 2, then we will put instead of x as 2. So equation becomes 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube. 2 square will be 4 and 2 cube will be 8. So 2 into 4 will be 8 plus 3 into 8 will be 24. And 8 plus 24 becomes 32. So answer will be 32. Now come to exercise 5C, first numerical, in which find the value of the following expressions when x is equals to 2. Second part is 5x minus 7. We have to find out this expression's value where this variable x value is given as 2. So instead of x we have to put 2 and then we have to find out the value, right? So what we will do, 5 into 2 minus 7. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 will be the answer, right? Now in fifth part, x cube minus x square plus x plus 7. Instead of x, we have to put 2. So what will come? 2 cube minus 2 square plus 2 plus 7, right? Now solve 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So it will come as 8. Minus 2 square will be 2 into 2, 4. Plus 2 plus 7 is 9. Clear? Now 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 minus 4 is 13. 13 will be the answer. It is clear? Now sixth part, x cube minus 4 x minus 2. Instead of x we have to put 2. When we will put 2 then it becomes 2 cube minus 4 2 minus 2. You know that 2 minus 2 is 0 and 2 cube will be 8. So 8 minus 4 into 0 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 will be the answer. Now sum number 2, find the value of the following expressions when x is equals to minus 2. Now here x value is given minus 2. So instead of x we have to put minus 2. So second part, 2x minus 4. 2 into x is minus 2 minus 4. Now open bracket, first multiply. 2 2s are 4 with negative sign and minus 4. Minus 4 will be minus minus plus. When we will add, 4 plus 4 will be 8. So minus 8 will come. Right? Now fourth part, x square plus x plus 7. Instead of x we have to put minus 2. So minus 2 square plus x is minus 2 plus 7. Now minus 2 square will be 4 plus minus 2 plus 7. Right? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9, or we have already done integers, so we can do 4 minus 2 as 2, 2 plus 7 as 9. Right? Any method we can do. Part, 2x square minus 3x square plus 4x plus 7. So here again, instead of x we have to put minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Right? Now solve. 2 into minus 2 square is 4. Minus 3 into minus 2 square is 4. Plus minus 4 2s are 8 plus 7. Now 2 4s are 8 minus 3 4s are 12 minus 8 plus 7. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 minus 8 plus 7. Minus plus 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 is greater, so minus 12 plus 7. Minus plus minus 12 minus 7 is 5 and 12 is greater, so minus 5. So minus 5 will be the answer. Now sum number 3, evaluate the expressions for a is equals to minus 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 0. Second part, minus 2a plus 3b minus 5c. Here you can see 3 variables are there, a, b, c, and these 3 variables values are given, a as minus 1, b as 2 and c as 0. So put first minus 2 a is minus 1, so here you have to put minus 1 instead of a, plus 3 instead of b, 2 minus 5 instead of c, 0. Right? Now solve. Minus plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5 into 0 is 0. Now 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8 only. So 8 will be the answer. It is clear? Now fourth part, a cube minus 2b cube minus 3ab plus 4abc. Instead of a we have to put minus 1. So minus 1 cube minus 2. Instead of b we have to put 2. So 2 cube minus 3. A is minus 1, b is 2 plus 4. A is minus 1, b is 2 and c is 0. So we have to multiply. Right? Now minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus sign 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 2 into 8. Minus plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1 is 6. Plus minus, but here we are multiplying with 0, so whole this term becomes 0. Right? Now minus 1, 2 8s are 16, minus 16 plus 6. So minus plus, when we will add 16 plus 1 is 17. 16 is greater, so minus sign, minus 17 plus 6. Minus plus minus, 17 minus 6 is 11. 17 is greater, so minus 11. Clear? Similarly, sixth part, 3a cube minus b cube plus 3abc minus 2ab. 3 instead of a we have to put minus 1, so minus 1 cube minus b cube is 2 cube plus 3 into a is minus 1 into b is 2 into c is 0. Then minus sign, 2 a is minus 1, so 2 into minus 1, b is 2 into 2, right? Now solve 3 minus 1 cube, we can write as minus 1, minus sign, 2 cube is 8, right? Plus minus minus, but when we will multiply with 0, this whole term becomes 0, right? Minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4. Now 3 minus minus plus, 8 plus 1 9, 8 is greater, so minus 9 plus 4. 9 3s are 27, minus 27 will come because one time negative sign is coming, plus 4, minus plus minus 27 minus 4 is 23, 27 is greater than 4, so minus 23 will be the answer. Now from exercise 5C I am giving you some numericals. Do all these numericals in your classwork notebook. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. If you have any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye bye, take care.